Hi guys, look at my random here, youtube.com. If you like my channel, like, subscribe, press the bell button. I'm not sure which river this is, but obviously you can tell this is man-made. I was the Pine River or the Belle River, but this is in Yale. So we're at a park, as you can see. Looks like it's flowing pretty good down here. Not sure how deep it is. I really don't want to know how deep it is, but it's about the farthest we're going to walk out right here. And as you can see, a little bit of slime edge stuff over there. There's the sun behind me. There's the park. Actually, I do believe you can take your kayak over here. Try to get the mosquitoes off me here. Walk down this way a little bit. You can see this old tree right here. All its roots and stuff. My wife's walking the other way, so I don't want to put her on camera. She doesn't like to be on camera. Excuse me. So I'll walk down here a little bit. Make sure I don't fall in. It's pretty nifty. It's falling pretty good. Gotta watch out for these mosquitoes here though, my goodness. Yeah, I'm not sure how, like I said, I don't know how deep that is, but I'm sure that's got a fairly decent deepness to it. All these old trees here. We'll walk down here farther a little bit. We'll see what's going on down over here. Yeah, like I said, this is in Yale, Michigan. I think this is Yale Park. Y-A-L-E, I believe. Yes, there's fish in there and stuff where you can go. So, looks like they got some markings over here for the. They're gonna must be getting ready to do something here. Yeah, there's a lot of mosquitoes around over here. My wife said so. Let's see, water's coming up this way. Yeah, I think they're going to get ready to do. I know they're going to do something to these trees or whatever, certain ones. Ooh, and then down there, if you can see straight ahead or not. There you go. Oh, this is a runoff for water right there. Yeah, I might have to go back into the car maybe, unfortunately. You can see lots of beautiful trees though, how tall they are. Yeah, I forget what the orange marks mean on the trees here. It tells me they're getting ready to do something to them. Or if they're in good shape, bad shape. Yeah, it smells pretty fishy over here, so obviously there's some fish and stuff down here. Yes, you can go fishing in here. I know there was some stuff just recently. I think there must have been something big. There must have been a tree out. Yeah, this must have been a tree they took down. I'll come down over here and see. Pretty cool. I see a young man down there under the bridge. They're fishing. And you'll see there's a tree there. So yeah, this is in Yale, Michigan. So if you ever want to come here, this is Yale Park in Yale, Michigan. Very beautiful park. I don't want to get any people on video here, so Pretty nice. There's a playground, just like the other playgrounds I've showed you before on my other channels. I might be able to go down a little bit farther. I'll have to go check on my wife here in just a second, make sure she's okay. Oh yeah, I can smell fishy over here. There's fish over here, definitely. Pretty cool though. You can see the water's come way up here also. Yeah, it's come to pretty far. It's come up to this far here, so. And it rained a couple days ago. All birdies. Yeah, it's a beautiful park. Really nice. Not too bad at all. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Alright, we're going to turn around and go back towards my wife and see where she's at. Yeah, I know. So if you guys ever want to, come down here to Yale, Michigan. And you see all the beautiful trees, and like I said, I don't know what river that was, so I don't know if that was... I'm going to go back in the car because I'm getting bit. I don't know if that was the Belle River or the Pine River. If you like my channel, like, subscribe, press that bell button for all notifications. Thanks for watching. This is talking about randomyoutube.com.